Hi, I'm Penny from Lakewood, Colorado with Science Matters, and I'm here to show you today how to skewer a bag, a polymer experiment. You will need for this project a gallon baggie or a sandwich baggie, or both if you like, some food coloring, and some bamboo skewers. It's helpful to have a dish tub or foil tray, something underneath you in case you have some leaks. You will also need some water. So what we're going to do, we will start with our small sandwich baggie. And I think I will use some red food coloring for this one. And about 10 drops if you like it nice and dark. A little more is fine. Add some water to your baggie. Now, what is a sandwich baggie made of? Plastic, right? What kind of material is plastic? I'm closing my zipper on my Ziploc baggie here, so it's nice and tight. My water is not leaking out. Okay, want it to be nice and tight. So plastic is a polymer. What is a polymer? Well, a polymer is a linked chain of monomers. A monomer is a single unit, like a single bead, like in these beads I have in my cup. So these single beads can go pretty much wherever they want when I drop them. If I were able to cross-link them, bond them together, where they're sharing the electrons of their neighbors, then they can't just go wherever. When I drop them, they stay together. They're very bendy, and they even have gaps between them, but they are together. Poly meaning many. We've changed our monomers, single units, to a linked chain of a many-unit molecule. So why is that so important? Well, now that we have our baggie of water, we will take our bamboo skewer and you're going to poke right through. The skewers are really sharp, so be careful. And I have no water leaking out of my baggie. Why does that work, I wonder? Well, remember I showed you the spaces on that string, the polymer string. The monomers bonded together have some flexibility. Very bendy stuff allows you to have a space enough to put the skewer through the molecules, and yet it seals up around the skewer so that the water doesn't leak out. Well, could we do this with a very large bag like I showed you the gallon baggie? Here is a large bag of pretty blue water. Let's find out. There we have our large skewered bag. You can go ahead and water your plants outside with the water and recycle it. That is Skewer a Bag, a polymer experiment. Stay with us on the Science Matters channel for some more science fun.